bazala bakamzitho, guys, we normally ask ourselves ukuthi like la mantombazana lawa achubekayo adate uMpumelelo Mseleku like babonani, because we know ukuthi uMpumelelo Mseleku is not working. Umama wakhe uke washo on uThando Nesithembu ukuthi uMpumelelo akasebenzi. So we know that, we also know that unengoma, guys. Mina ngiyayithanda ingoma yakhe Alwana Lie. So unengoma, and we know that they are getting paid from the reality show, but it's not that much ukuthi amantombazana phela uMpumelelo like yes simbona namantombazana ahlukahlukene ngaphandle kwalapha sibazi. Okay, we know Vuyokazi no longer impilweni kaMpumelelo, part of impilo kaMpumelelo, but uThirelo useseyiphathi kaMpumelelo. And now this angazi mina utrend namantombazana angakho uMpumelelo. He was spotted namantombazana angakho, and sometimes he is spotted namantombazana that we know they won't date umuntu onganamali. So bazala bamzitho, there's a video I'll post that kaMpumelelo Mseleku, and now mina kimi I think it makes sense ukuthi why namantombazana amthanda, because there Mpumelelo he is driving imoto ye-million, guys, ye-million. Then mama mbuza ukuthi uphila ngani, why afford this car, and he just said, let me just say ngumfana kaMseleku. That means uMpumelelo Mseleku baba kuyamnika imali, guys. So these girls, they think ukuthi le mali le yakampumelelo, and some of them mhlambe they don't even know ukuthi this guy akuyana le mali le abacabanga ukuthi banayo. Lo muntu lo makumele athole imali uya makumele abe nemali kumele acela imali from ama parents wakhe. But ke guys, impilo uNkulunkulu amkhethele yona, indlela uMpumelelo ayiphile ngayo. Mina Ashem, I don't blame uMpumelelo. I think namba bam if bekanemali, even though bengizoyiphatha kahle mhlambi. And phela now it's easy for us to talk ukuthi hey akana ngcondo nani, because we don't have le mali or we don't have umnotho lo kuba banawo. So uMpumelelo Mseleku, guys, just look at the video, and after looking at the video, guys, please like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification button. Nginithanda ukuya nokubuya.
I think that's a guy from Thando Nesithembu. Oh, you good, bro? Yo. Yeah, bro. Like, what do you do for a living? I love your car. I actually ask people in nice cars, what do you do for a living? Yeah, Peter. Oh, is there anything that you do on the side? I always see you on TV. Umfana Mseleku. Alright, ngaphandle kuba umfana Mseleku utravel emoto yini enye wenzayo? You specialize in security. So like, how do you deal with the media hate yabo and the controversy with people just slandering you? Sure. Issue. Alright. Okay, so alright, so like do you have any life tips, advice? Alright. D'accord.